so today we're going to be going over the new Jeda wireless pad. This is the first generation, but they were so nice to me, the second generation here. And we're going to do the whole unboxing and everything right here. So we're just going to open this now. This is, once again, the second generation. So they listened to everyone's comments and concerns about first gen, and they really improved it. So, all right, so let's go ahead and open the box. Here we go. Whoa, it's bright red. And this is Ode to Tesla, of course. This is pretty awesome. And already I can feel this is a nice TPU rubber grip. This is nice because Jeda went and listened to all the concerns everyone had with the first generation. And one of the concerns was just the whole fitting, as well as just it sliding a bit. And so they fixed this with this nice rubber grip. And I have the first gen right here. Here's the back. And they had these adhesives before. But you can see it was just here, that plastic, and it didn't really grip onto and stick very well. So this is very nice. We're gonna flip it around, and oh, it also has a nice lip here. This is nice because here on the first gen you didn't have anything here, so a lot of times if my phone was bulky with the case, it would slide down here right in the socket. But with this lip over here, it'll prevent it from falling down, and you can actually put some wire charging from the bottom as well, if in case you want that, or if your phone isn't capable, or you have a passenger with a wire charging phone. Looks like you have 3 docks here, 2 vertical phones, or if you want yours horizontal, put it down here. Let's go ahead and plug it in. So here's the box. Comes with the 2 micro USBs into USB ports. So we'll go ahead and do that. They have directions here on the inside the casing. Number 1, remove the rubber pad, take the cables out. Number 2, connect the Jeda cables to the back of the wire pad, place it on the tray, and then connect the USB cables to the front dashboard. So we're gonna go through it first. This right now, this is the stock that it comes with. Sorry, I got a call right there. And all you have to do, I like to remove the lip first. Here is the rubber. I already took the cables out. So I'm going to run the cables through the back here, plug it into the front 2 USBs. And a common concern is, will I still be able to use the dash cam feature? And yes, you can, by either unplugging one side, or better yet, get a USB splitter. That way you can use both features. So we have it all nice and flush now. And we're just gonna go ahead and put the lip back on, and boom, that's how it looks. Looks very nice and sleek. It is a lot more form-fitting, and I'm giving it a good shake. That rubber grip has a nice grip to it, it's sticking very well. Alright, now that it's all installed, it looks really great. It's very stock, and it looks nothing screaming at you, but I'm trying to move it around here, and the rubber grip on the back does a really nice job of keeping it in place, as well as it just fits really nice. The form is very form-fitting, and we're just going to see if it works now. Here we go. There we go. We have the left side working. You can go ahead and once again do horizontal. Let me just make sure both sides work, and then we're going to go ahead and, let's say you want to do directions for some reason. If your Tesla navigation isn't working, you want it sideways. All 3 work, and I'm gonna go ahead and try it out for the next few days and just see how fast it charges. And I do have an iPhone, so not capable of that 15 amp kind of output. So once again, these front 2 USBs are, with the new version 9 update, it's about 7.5 amps all the way to 15, and with the iPhone you can only take advantage of 7.5. But if you have something like the Android, what you can do is run it all the way up here under the armrest, and you can take advantage, and this will be very fast charging capable. So we're going to do the iPhone at 7.5 amps, and we're just going to see how fast it charges. What's up, guys? Hey, hope you enjoyed that video. I know it's been a minute since I've uploaded. As you guys know, White Falcon got into an accident, so appreciate the love and support you guys have given me. But no worries, White Falcon's in the shop. He's getting repaired, and he'll be back in no time. So it's pretty exciting because next video is going to be all about how much it costs once Tesla, specifically Model 3, gets into an accident. Minor damages, so no worries, but it does add up, so subscribe to make sure you guys see that next video. Anyways, we're here to talk about the Jeda wireless pad Generation 2. I've had it about for 2 weeks and just gotta test that all out, and just very intuitive. Once again, it's something you just place on the pad and it starts charging. And my commute back home from work is around 25 to 30 minutes each time, which is perfect. I get around 10%, so I'm really happy with that. You don't have to really struggle with plugging it in. You just place it there, and it was kind of nice because I tried using the navigation on my phone with the landscape mode and just put it in the horizontal. It worked out very well. So what do you guys think? Leave your comments in the section below. What do you guys think about the chargers? Do you guys like the Generation 1 look? Do you like the Generation 2 look? And how does it compare to other wireless chargers? And if you are wondering, hey, I have the Jeda Generation 1 pad, and you know what? I love all the different improvements. Well, Jeda is so nice in which they're going to be emailing all you guys, and where they can, it's kind of like a already founder program where if you guys have a version 1, they're going to send you an email to purchase a version 2 at a discount as well as a freebie. So be on the lookout for that. Jeda, you guys rock for just being very customer oriented, and you guys know how us Tesla owners think. So truly appreciate that. If you guys don't have one and you're thinking about buying one, you can use my link in the description below. Go ahead and buy that. And hey guys, thanks for watching. Really appreciate everything you guys do and leaving the very nice comments. If you guys haven't already, find me on social media on Instagram, Twitter at Young Tesla. If you guys are thinking about buying a Tesla, DM me on those and I'll try to answer any questions. Also, if you are thinking about buying a Tesla or leasing one, you can get 1,000 miles, yes, 1,000 miles of free supercharging on your Teslas. Just go ahead and use my referral code in the link below. I would appreciate it so much. As you guys know, there's that referral program. I'm trying so hard just to make this all worth it. But anyway, guys, I love spreading my experience with you guys. Hey, we'll see you next time.